English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Story name, Don't Worry. On a school holiday, Gwa To met with his friends. I'm feeling bored. Let's play a sort of game. We'd better play football. Ang Pew's got a ball. We'll go and ask Shwe Poe to come along with us then. We need a player. On arrived at Shwe Poe's house. My mom has me draw water. I'm not free yet. You say like this again. We have a chance to play only when the school is closed. Yes, right. When I finish my work, I'll come. You play first. And so Gwa To and friends started playing football. That's delay. That's messy. Take that. Oh, the ball's got broken. You kicked the ball recklessly. What are we going to play with as we don't have the ball? Uncle Yo came to visit Shwe Poe's house. Mom, Uncle has come. I've finished my work now, I will go and play football. Wait a minute, please. I'm going to give pocket money to me nephew who always lends the parents a helping hand. Here you are. When he reached Ang Pew and group. The balls got broken, Shwe Poe. Oh. Don't worry. I've got the pocket money my uncle gave to me. We will go and buy a ball with it. Wow. That's Shwe Poe. Now, we can play football again. We'll go and get a ball. After all, it is thanks to giving parents a helping hand. This is the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.